resumption time is 8:03. You see it's already telling you start work. You start work, all you have to do is come as a staff, put your finger in the fingerprint.
Thank you.
And tell you welcome, and you start work your name. That's that. And you do this just once. That's how you resume work in the morning with the time attendance. Okay. Start work time mode is from Start work time is from 8 a.m. till 3:45 p.m. So it's the duration of the work from 8 a.m. when you resume till 3:45 or 4 p.m. That is start work. Anytime from 4 p.m. is end work. So 4 p.m. till 7 a.m. in the morning is end work. So it's just between a bracket. 8 to 4 is start work. 4 till all night to the next morning is end work. You come in the evening, as you can see on the time, this is 16:05. Automatically it has changed to end work. You can see end work here. So when you clock in,
Thank you.
it is telling me now, and it is telling me end work, which means the one you did in the morning you saw start work. When the one you did in the evening it's end work. It will take the time you clocked in and the time you clocked out. Also, kindly note that if you use the wrong finger, like I'm doing now,
Authenticating failed.
authentication failed. It won't put any name. I use the wrong finger,
Authenticating failed.
it's failed. It will not take you in until you use the right finger.
Authenticating failed.
So when I now use the right finger,
Thank you.
thank you. That is it. Now you have registered. So if you see authentication failed,
Authenticating failed.
you have not registered, it has not taken you. And when you put your finger,
Authenticating
wait
failed.
till it clears. Then you put it again.
Authenticating
You
failed.
wait till it clears, then you put it again.
Thank you.
That is how you use it. You don't rush it. You wait till it clears and you put it again. Thank you. The time on the clock is always in 24 hours mode. It doesn't do 12 to 12. It do 24 hours. So 1 o'clock is actually 13:12. You can see the date and time. So if I clock in at this time, I put my finger,
Thank you.
it's telling me I've started work at that time, which is 13:13. So it's not going to change for you. Now it depends on the agreement in your department. But anytime you come in, it's in
Thank you.
24 hours time. Thank you.